Hello and welcome. My name is Rakib Mia and I am passionate about technology, problem solving and innovation. I am currently a third year student at Devoted International University with a current CGPA 3.25 majoring in computer science and engineering. I am continuously striving to expand my knowledge and experience in the tech world. My academic journey started at Shirpur Union High School where I completed my SSC in 2019 with a GPA of 4.78. Later I pursued my SSC Dr. Mabur Rahman Mullah College, securing another GPA of 5 in 2021. This experience had shaped my passion for learning and my dedication to excellence. Over the last 2 years, I have developed strong programming skill in PHP, Python, Java, and C++, with a particular fondness for Python and Java. Alongside coding, I have built experience in Java, problem solving, and logical thinking, software development to object-oriented programming, IoT and embedded system, database management and system analysis. Apart from technical skill, I have also honed essential soft skills including effective communication, teamwork and collaboration, presentation and leadership. During my academic journey, I had worked on multiple real-world projects including 4-bit password security system developed for my digital logic design course in this integrate smart security with IoT technology, bank management system, Java would be a future-rich banking system and streamline customer transaction and account management. Medical management system designed in my system analysis and design course. This project aims to automate administrative tasks for educational institutions. I am deeply passionate about chess, a game. The game has taught me patience, strategy, for foresight. In the long run, I aspire to be an entrepreneur flourishing in the fostered for our university chairman and my father, who has been also businessman. I believe technology and business together have the power to create impactful solutions, and I want to be part of the transformation. Thank you for your taking the time of learn about me. I am always open to now opportunity, collaboration and learning experience. If you would like to contact, feel free to reach out. I look forward to an executive future ahead.